Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here, Saturday the 11th of August. Thanks again for watching and for coming to weatherweb.net. As always, the site's kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen, and by you coming back and using the site, using the charts, viewing the videos, it means that we can present you with more adverts, and that generates the revenue which keeps the site free of charge. And when you click on an advert and go through to the advertiser, it generates more revenue, and again it just helps to keep the site free of charge. So thank you for doing that. Many thousands of you come to the website every day, and that's wonderful, so please do spread the message to your friends. We're looking at a breakdown then now over the coming few days. This is as of course has been promised for the last week, that it looked like the breakdown would take place overnight Saturday through Sunday, but it looks like being quite a soft breakdown really, that it's going to be bringing more cooler conditions. There will be rain around, there could even be one or two heavy downpours, but generally it looks as if it is going to be what we call quite a soft breakdown. But it does lead us into a more unsettled spell of weather during next week before things start to improve again towards next weekend. So here we are with the chart for 10 o'clock tonight, and you can see quite a southeasterly flow still blowing through the country, quite breezy out there at the moment, and it looks as if it will be that way for the first part of the night. Here are the outbreaks of rain coming into western southern Ireland and southwestern England, and you'll notice those spreading their way northeastwards as the charts go on. You see they're into Wales and southwest England by midnight, heavier rain coming into the west of Ireland. And then through the course of the early hours of the morning, some showers spreading eastwards through Wales, central southern England, heavy showers across southern parts of Ireland, one or two showers perhaps breaking out over eastern Scotland, but for many northern and eastern areas it tends to stay on the dry side. Now, through Sunday morning, we'll find outbreaks of showers and more cloud around across northern England, southern parts of Scotland, the Midlands, Wales and southwest England. Heaviest of them probably moving through the Irish Sea, affecting Anglesey into northwestern parts of England, one or two for western parts of Wales. But you can see here that this rain is largely very light. For northern parts of Scotland, eastern Scotland, down through the very far east of England, and also along the southern counties of England, it probably does hold on dry through the course of Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon sees the showers getting pecked up through the Midlands, northern England and southern parts of Scotland, but I think they'll tend to fade away across Wales, southwest England, parts of the western Midlands, southern England and these far eastern counties of England, East Anglia and the far northeast, possibly staying dry right the way through the day. So it could mean that you may well steal just another fine day there. Breezy and dry across northern Scotland, southeasterlies here about a 4-6. To the south it looks much lighter, the winds I think southerlies at 3s and 4s, but sea breezes forming around East Anglia and southern coast of England, becoming south to southwesterly at 3 to 4 towards the west. More persistent rain edging into southern parts of Ireland, you can see it here on the chart, during the later part of the day on Sunday. And then I think overnight that rain will spread its way slowly northeastwards through through eastern Ireland, through western Wales and southwestern England, but many southern and eastern areas tending to stay dry. Further showers though across southern parts of Scotland, possibly merging into longer spells of rain. And then on Monday morning, well, we'll find for Monday morning some outbreaks of rain coming across southwestern England, Ireland. They'll be edging their way slowly eastwards. More persistent rain again across central parts of Scotland. You'll notice through Monday evening most of the rain again and showers are affecting western parts of Scotland, also northwest England, western Wales and southwest England, as well as northwest Ireland. Relatively little in the way of showers or outbreaks of rain affecting central and eastern parts of England, as well as the south coast, where again it could stay dry for much of the day. And then heading in towards Tuesday, well, we'll find further outbreaks of rain spreading northeastwards, most affecting southwest England, Wales, northwestern parts of England and also Scotland, with some heavy showers following behind. I think that rain will make its way north and eastwards during the course of Tuesday. You see some very heavy bursts of rain there coming through during the course of Tuesday afternoon across Wales, northwest England and southern Scotland. Heavy showers just into the southwest, and I think it's now that we'll see rain edging its way eastwards into the eastern parts of England. And then, overnight to Wednesday, most of the rain becomes confined to northern parts of Scotland. More southern areas tend to stay dry. Notice this southerly flow that develops. This brings back warmer conditions, having on cooler through Monday and also Tuesday. But then you can see what happens here. Look, through Thursday we find a deep area of low pressure developing to the south of Ireland. Indications are that then goes northeastwards through the country during Thursday into Friday, brings some heavy periods of rain with it and some unseasonably strong winds. That low hanging around through Friday, bringing in settler conditions, heavy rain across northern parts of Scotland, heavy showers and longer showers coming into Wales and southwest England. Severe gales affecting many areas, particularly Southern Ireland, southwestern England, northern parts of France. Of course, we need to watch this one because we are several days away and things, of course, can change. So we'll keep you updated on this one. But it certainly looks as if the low is moving through. And then into Saturday, low pressure is off the northern parts of Scotland, sorry, the western parts of Scotland. It looks like that area of low pressure is in and probably just brings showers for much of the day to many, most of them affecting the west, but many eastern and southern areas should be drier and brighter. However, we'll find more rain approaching the south. That edges its way northwards overnight into Sunday, and I think some of that could be quite heavy as we get through in towards the early part of Monday the 19th. However, as low pressure becomes west of Ireland, this area of rain moves northwards, and this could herald the start of another brief warm spell around about the 20th, 21st or 23rd. So let's look at the ECMWF, and this is how this sees it. You'll notice that conditions do improve during the back end of the week. These are going forward in 24-hour steps. There's the area of low pressure to the west of the country through the middle part of the week. And you can see here as well the ECMWF in agreement with the GFS in bringing this low pressure northwards during the latter part of the week. So certainly unsettled and windy. But then watch what happens as we get into the weekend. Here's the ridge of high pressure, look, building towards the south. Now, the ECMWF keeps the area of low pressure further southwest. This is the one that we looked at just bringing rain northwards through the country during Saturday and Sunday. The ECMWF builds this ridge in though, look, as we go through the weekend. So it tries to bring warmer, dry conditions across much of England and Wales and eastern parts of Scotland. And it maintains those conditions as well into the beginning of the following week. And what that really is showing us here is that with that ridge building in, it sees warmer, it sees more settled conditions building in. So I think we are going to go into a spell of unsettled weather, but following that, during possibly next weekend, we may find things settling down, or at least into the part of the week after next, although again it may be just a 3 or 4 day wonder. But we'll keep our eyes on that for you, of course. So thanks again for watching, and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.